All right, good morning, guys. This is a problem solving worksheet. Should be kind of a review. We are looking for things that are um, continuing on with rates, I should say. Things that we've already done was the words I was looking for. And we are going to get used to writing equations, still labeling things so I know what I'm looking for. And then I encourage you to write the equations. Okay, you don't have to draw a picture, but the equations will help you solve these things. Like this first problem's talking about pipes. I see an A, B, C, so somewhere we need to write pipe A, B, and C. What they are, what are they represented with? Okay, so number one, water is moving through 3 pipes and flowing over a dam. The size of each pipe is different, so the amount of water per minute going through each pipe is different. 20 gallons per water per second go through the pipe A. 10 gallons per second go through pipe B. 15 gallons per second go through pipe C. So one little change here. That one was in minutes. It should be in seconds. Everything is gallons per second. I'm looking for how long, so I'm looking for a length of time. Okay, how long will it take for, I got a total of 270 gallons going through all the pipes. Okay, so I'm looking for how long, number of seconds is probably going to be because these are all in seconds. Okay, so I don't know the time, so I'm going to use X for the number of seconds. X is the number of seconds, so pipe A, 20 gallons of water per second. Okay, so if 20 goes through per second, how much would go through in 2 seconds? 3 seconds, 4 seconds. You're just taking it times 20. So pipe A is 20 times the number of seconds, 20x. Pipe B, 10 gallons per second. And pipe C, 15 gallons per second. So if I add all those up, because I have water going through 3 pipes for a total of 270 gallons. Well, let's combine like terms. What's 20 plus 10 plus 15? That's 45x. 45 times what is 270? So I got to take 270 divided by 45, and I get 6. And then be sure you label 6 seconds. Problem number 2. A soda machine makes root beer in 32-ounce plastic bottles. You're having 3 machines. Looks like it's machine A, B, and C. Just like the pipes, I want to label them. A, B, and C. Machine A fills 5 bottles per minute, B is 3 bottles per minute, and C is 4 bottles per minute. How many bottles? So this time I'm going to use X for how many bottles. Total number of bottles. Okay. How many bottles can I get in 5 minutes? All right, so this one's a little different because it's not giving us the total. This one gave us a total of 270. Now I'm looking for the total. So if I fill 5 bottles per minute for 5 minutes, how many bottles total am I going to get for A, B, and C? Okay, so 5 bottles per minute for 5 minutes. 5 times 5 is, I'm going to get 25 bottles out of that one. 5 times 5. Machine B, 3 bottles per minute. 3 times 5 minutes, for how many total is that? Should be 15. And machine C, 4 bottles per minute for 5 minutes. 4 times 5 is 20, and that's going to give me my total, or my X in this case. 25 plus 15 plus 20. So 40 plus 20, that's going to be a total of 60 bottles total getting filled. Problem number 3. Tony and Gavin are long distance runners. They train together and do what they can to get in shape. On a recent long distance run, Tony was running at 6 miles per hour. Gavin is running a little faster, 7 miles an hour. How far did both of them get in X miles? So now we got Tony and Gavin. So again, we are looking for the total. So that would be my X, my total. Okay, so if Tony is running 6 miles per hour for 2 hours, 6 miles per hour for 2 hours, how far did Tony go? Well, 6 times 2 is 12. Gavin is running 7 miles per hour for 2 hours. What's 7 times 2? 14 for a total of 26 miles. 12 plus 14. And the last question. Apex Food makes little packets of ketchup. 2 machines seal it, and then workers put the packets in boxes. So far, there's no real information there we need other than 2 machines. There's a new machine that makes 50 packets per minute. New machine, old machine. Old machine makes 35 packets per minute. How long will it take 2 machines to make? 425 packets. That's my total. All right, so I do not know how many minutes I worked. Doesn't say. That's what I'm trying to find. How long? So X is going to be the number of minutes. Number of minutes. So my new machine, 50 packets per minute. 50 packets times however many minutes it is, 50x. My old packet maker, old machine, 35 packets per minute. 35 times x. So 50x plus 35x is 85x. And what is 425 divided by 85? 85 times what is 425? And you should get 5 minutes. And again, on all these guys, you could double check it. 50 times 5 plus 35 times 5, you're going to get 425. So then you know you got it right. You can always double check these answers. All right, that is it for today, guys. You should have 2 worksheets, 653 and 654 to do, and it should be pretty self-explanatory. Again, write out those equations, show your work. Again, you can download these and then submit it when you're done, or write small enough that you can do it right on here. But 653 and 654. All right, any questions, let me know. We will see you on our Zoom, and we will talk to you later. Stay safe, and take care, guys. Bye-bye.